The winter session is on right now, and we are coming to know that as the winter session was adjourned till 11 a.m. today, with Parliament erupting over George Soros Congress links, the women MPs of the BJP will stage protest in Parliament against Kalyan Banerjee's statement, where he made sexist remarks. This is what we can expect today. So today we can expect it to be a very, very fast tracked day, especially in the morning when the BJP MPs will stage a stir against the TMC MPs' sexist remarks. And remember that this is coming in as Lok Sabha was adjourned after comments made by the TMC's Kalyan Banerjee against BJP leader and Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia led to a big uproar. And this is what we are learning of right now on Republic TV. And now, because of all the ruckus and this chaos which we have been seeing, the women MPs of the BJP will stage a protest in Parliament against Kalyan Banerjee's statement, which was a very, very sexist remark. So viewers, a group of women MPs from BJP met Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju on Wednesday, demanding action against TMC leader Kalyan Banerjee for calling Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia a lady killer, a remark for which he later apologized. But Scindia did not accept his apology. Watch this report for more as we get to the top updates coming in.
Women BJP MPs on Wednesday filed a complaint with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju against TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee. This comes after Banerjee made a controversial comment about Telecom Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. The women BJP MPs also urged Rijiju to take strict measures to prevent such incidents in the future.
The repetitive comments that Kalyan Banerjee ji of TMC has been making against the women in the parliament. This is not the first time that he had commented pointing out to Jyotiraditya Scindia that he is a lady killer. In fact, even earlier also he had commented that there are so many beautiful women in the house, but my attention is not distracted. I think this is very unbecoming of a parliamentarian who hails from a state which is actually led by a woman there. Mamata Banerjee leads West Bengal, and it's very unbecoming of him to pass such comments on women. This is not the first time. He is repetitively habituated to passing comments like this, which is very offending to the woman.
It all started on Wednesday after a heated argument in Parliament between Scindia and Kalyan Banerjee during a discussion on the disaster management bill happened. The controversy began when Banerjee made personal accusations and called Scindia a lady killer.
सब्जेक्ट पे सब्जेक्ट में आ रहा है, क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? सुंदर है तो सब कुछ है, सिंधिया फैमिली का है तो राजा है क्या? हम लोग क्या है? आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं आप?
Jyotiraditya Scindia hit back at Kalyan Banerjee and said, "If you get personal, be prepared."
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
इन्होंने व्यक्तिगत टिप्पणी की है, मेरा हक है जवाब देने का। मैं इनको आपके द्वारा सूचित करना चाहता हूं सर कि मेरा नाम ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया है। मैं इस देश का प्रजातांत्रिक प्रणाली का नागरिक हूं। जो आज मैं हूं जनता के आशीर्वाद और मैंने मेहनत और मेरी मशक्कत के आधार पे हूं। ये अगर मेरे परिवार पर कलंक लगाने की कोशिश करेंगे और बेफजूल बात इस सदन में करेंगे तो मुझसे भी बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा। कृपा करके सदन में सदन की प्रणाली की बात करें, उनकी बात हम सुनने के लिए तैयार हैं। अगर बेफजूल बात करेंगे तो कोई भी सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होगा।
Facing backlash over his lady killer remark, Kalyan Banerjee later attempted to take a U-turn.
वो सदन में तो हंगामा
आपके बयान से हुआ है,
ठीक है, हम
आपत्तिजनक बयान दिया है महिलाओं के लिए।
नहीं महिला को नहीं, उनको बोला था ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया को, I have said sorry. That's enough.
However, the BJP demanded Banerjee's expulsion from the house.